So there's a few things that I've made over my lifetime, and one of them is DLCs for games. Now this game is called Rust. We'll go through what I did on this. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that music down. So we can see right here in Carita we kind of have the mapping just kind of placed out. So this is going to be covered in a whole load of designs and then placed onto a model. So if I go ahead and I just go ahead with this. So we kind of have this nice little camo kind of bush thing going on. Which is then placed onto a jacket for a nice character. And you can scale this out, you can make this waterproof, whatever like that. It's a really kind of nice jacket that you can just put out there. And then there's many more as well. So if you guys are interested in some of the designs that I've done for Rust and DLCs, I will leave this video in the description and you guys can kind of look through some of my stuff and see what you like. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.